Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely Ford Transit Custom Limited. Now, we're a 2021 and a 71 plate. Came off a good friend of ours, so we know the van very well. Finished in magnetic grey metallic, which is one of the best colours for these vans. Fantastic if you're looking to use them for business use or personal. Obviously this looks more like a personal van just because it is fully kitted out. So we've got that sort of MSRT body styling going on. So coming through to the front bumper, we've got the nice big Ford Raptor style front grille with the Ford. Very hard to find those. We've got the lower splitter as well in the gloss black. Obviously we've got a different lower bumper, all fully colour coordinated, looks absolutely ace. LEDs, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera on this one as well. We're riding on these lovely multi-spoke alloy wheels with the Ford centre caps. Then we've got lots of contrasting detailing, so your mirror caps are in gloss black. We've got the roof bars on this one. This is obviously a crew cab, so we've got seating in the rear. Nice charcoal cloth sport seats, comfortable seating for 5. We've got door locks, nice thing to have, anti-theft. Coming through to the back then, sporty body styling follows through. So we've got the nice spoilers at the top, nice lower diffusers, exhaust tips, rear parking sensor and reversing camera as I've mentioned. Looking in the back then, it's not seen any hard use, this van. So we've got ply line into the bottoms, we've got slip resistance floors, we've got all-weather rubber floor mats, absolutely ace. Metal bulkhead, obviously all the spotlighting in the top as well, so it's pretty much ready for use. Looking then again down the side of the vehicle, all absolutely superb. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Tyres are all fairly recent. Alloy wheels, when it goes through our workshops, there's a few tiny marks on those. We've got a wheel technician across the road who'll do a proper job of them. Then jumping inside, specification on these limited models, that's what you sell. Obviously body kit is a big feature. Big feature is a crew cab, so ideal if you've got a family and you need to have a larger vehicle with that sort of space. Big selling point is the auto box, absolute delight to drive. Then we've got park folding mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel, so on those are cruise control, speed limiter, got automatic lights, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 23,949 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then we've got our drive select, so you've got your traction control, off-road mode, heated front seats, heated front screen. When you click through, we've got audio, so that's a full DAB, all the extended channels. If you click through to source, you've got Bluetooth as well, so full phone connectivity. Settings, you'll find your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mobile apps are all through there as well. So it's a very car-like van. Individual armrests, which are fantastic for those longer journeys. But it's never been smoked in, it doesn't smell of any pets. It's a very nice, unique van, something that you won't always see on the roads. So, if you would like anything further on this vehicle, if it's finance that you require, we've got some fantastic finance options on these vehicles. Give us a call, send us an email, phone number 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.